Today we will be smoking a rack of Dino Ribs on the Weber Jumbo Joe. First we will season the ribs with salt, pepper, and garlic powder using mustard as a binder. Next we will be getting our snake started using B&B charcoal and cherry wood chips and a pizza pan as a heat deflector. At the 5-hour mark, I will give it a started temperature. When it reaches 160 degrees, I will wrap it and put it back on the grill. Once the temperature hits 200, we are going to remove the ribs and let them rest. Then we are going to slice them up